Goliath.
Alam mo ba, Chiba? David. 11 minutes. David and Goliath. Remember the story? You don't need to be a Bible genius to know David and Goliath, right?
Yes.
Diba, sabi ng Bible, Philistine army, tapos versus the Israelite camp.
Yeah.
Tapos bigla, nag-isip sila na, oh, let's not destroy each other. Let's just send forth the best man. Sila na lang yung patayan, di ba? Parang tignan natin kung sinong mananalo, ganun sila. And so Philistine camp, lumabas si Goliath, huge, like, giant, and sabi niya ganun, fee, fi, fo, fum, I smell the blood of an English. Hindi, parang maling kwento yun, okay? Parang lumabas yung giant, sabi niya ganun, he started mocking God, and he started mocking the people of God. Remember the story? Tapos sabi niya, wala bang lalaban sa akin, mga takot kayo, mga matakotin. At wala talaga, they would scatter because of fear. Sabi ng Bible, itong mga Israelites, walang gusto lumaban. No? Isang araw, may isang bata na ang tatay si Jesse. Sabi ni Jesse sa kanya, oh, David, pumunta ka doon sa battlefield. Tapos puntahan mo yung mga kuya mo. Pagdalan mo sila ng longganisa, ng tusino, fried rice. Kasi na po nagpapangga po kasi ako eh. So yun ang breakfast, di ba? Bring your brothers some breakfast. So pinagdala yun ang breakfast, no? Habang nandun na siya sa battle, na-tempo! Na-timingan! Nasaktong habang hinahanap ng mga kapatid niya, biglang lumabas na naman si Goliath. Kasi sabi ng Bible, everyday yun, talagang binabak ni Goliath yung mga people of God. So biglang na-timingan niya. Tapos narinig ni David, sabi ni Goliath, wala, mga natutukan kayo, wala akong tayo. Started mocking God and then, sabi gano'n ni David, na-trigger! Ilan mo yung
Nagpanting.
Sino to? Sino itong higanting ito? Laki-laki? Uncircumcised naman, sabi. Kung nasa Bible yan, who is this uncircumcised
Man.
Philistine? Ganun, di ba? Laki-laki? Uncircumcised naman? Make the long story short. Di ba? He suited up. Nag-volunteer siya, sabi gano'n, ako na lang po, ako lalaban. Tapos sabi ni Solo, sige, suot mo yung armor. Tapos, tinaray niya yung armor, di siya matrot. Ganun natin ito, sabi gano'n. Tapos, basahin po natin para mas accurate. Baka kami naggulo-gulo na yun. Biglang, ito sino pala?
Longganisa pala doon eh. Alam ko
Goliath started walking toward David again, and David ran quickly toward the Philistine battle line to fight him. Grabe ito, no?
wasak.
And so without a sword, David defeated and killed Goliath with a sling and a stone. Next na, ito yung favorite part ko dito yung verse 51. Sabi niya, he ran to him, stood over him, took Goliath's sword out of its sheath, and cut off his head and killed him. Wait lang, mag-rewind kung kayo sa kwento. Hindi ba't namatay na siya doon sa bato? Anong tawag doon? Pinatay ulit?
Double kill.
Sabi ni Venus, double dead. Seriously, what was he doing? He was finishing the job.
Man.
He was making sure